So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to edit message on Instagram. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the Instagram app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the home page of your Instagram account. Now you should have to tap on message icon, which is available on the lower corner of bottom. So tap on it. Now tap on message whom you want to edit, like this. So this is the mistake message and I want to edit it and correct it. So I'm tapping on here message icon, then I can simply see the option of edit. Also you can also see it. So tap on edit, then type the correct one and you can simply tap on send bar near to the typing bar. So tap on it and see your message has been successfully edited on Instagram. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.